Hi, welcome to Shelly Studio. Today I am working in my daily affirmations journal for December and working on the next few pages. I think this is the 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th, I think. So for the 6th, I drew the word cheerful. So I of course Googled an affirmation, and it takes no more time to see the good side of life than to see the bad. I thought that one worked well and took up a lot of space in my little journal, especially with that big Posca pen. This is from an acrylic pour. This was the cup I poured out of, did the dirty pour out of, and I liked it so well that I saved the cup and thought I could use the skins. They're super thin. But it worked. I didn't know what I was going to do it on, but this journal that I'm creating felt like the right place to put them. So I just punched a hole with the one, and then I'm going to use the scraps on the other side because I don't want to waste all that fun color. And there was no way I was going to put glue on the back side of these super thin acrylic skins. In fact, this one's so thin I think there's a spot that's missing some because it was actually, there was no paint there. There we go. Making sure all the edges are glued. I have to let the book sit after doing that one because there's a lot of extra glue on there. And I still had more. I wanted to use it up, so I'm just adding some extra strips on just to use it up. And it's fairly transparent, so I think you can read the words through there pretty good, even after it's dry. So, yeah, still don't want to waste any bit of it, so I'm taking this one and just slapping it on there. No rhyme or reason, it's just to add it on. It's not as pretty, it's a little darker on the yellow or the orange sort of paper envelope. I think that's a mailer envelope. Looks pretty dark on there. And what's more cheerful than flowers or sunflowers? They're kind of sunflowery looking. They've got the big centers. So, have any of you been playing along with the positive affirmations? Or the daily affirmations for December with the My Creative Year or with Gina B. Aarons. I am posting these on Instagram every day, except for as I'm recording this, I realized I did not post this one. Right now it's just the 7th, so I think I can get that posted on Instagram now. And say, oops, sorry, I'm a day late. Day behind. Well, I decided to add some yellow to the flowers so they stand out just a little bit better. And then I decided to turn that into a flower as well. Oh, on to the next day, I decided to combine it together. And the next word is uplift. So I'm going to pull out a little bit of my teal color to kind of match that, because it's going to go on the same page. Get it wet because I don't want it so dark you can't read the word. And did I say what the right word was? It's uplift. I'll just glue that on. And I decided to add yellow to that flower as well. Have to do a couple of coats to get that to show up, I think. It's fluorescent yellow and that's pretty transparent. So there's that one done, and then the rest of day 7, which was uplift. So this is an uplifting quote. Doesn't have the word uplift in it, but it's an uplifting quote. And it's, if you stumble, make it part of the dance. I like that. I had to use it when it popped up because I just liked it so well. And there's that one done. So on to day 8. The word is ready. And so I found this quote, and it says, "I am ready to create the experiences I want for my life." So if I say that every morning, is it going to come true? All these positive affirmations, they've got to do me some good, right? If I do them every day through December, should have a pretty positive outlook by the end. decided I needed some interest in the background behind the quote. So I just took a piece of Tim Holtz. We're going to glue that on and add some color. Not sure why, but I'm still liking the neon colors. That was just a strip of washi tape I put on there. It's part of the mailer envelope. It has a little flap there. So I wanted it to have a point, like there to be a reason for it to be there, even though it was just random. I thought about tucking that quote into there, but then I didn't like that so well. Now I pulled out some neon green. Just to shade around that object. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Kind of looks like not a violin, a cello or something. Adding just a little bit of that metallic color on there, but it just looks dark in the video. And that one was from the 8th. Alright, so one more for today. And the word is believe. This one's pretty simple. I decided I like the little outlined white boxes, so I went around that first. And then I found a quote, and it says, "I believe in me." And then this is just some jelly print paper that I was messing around with, kind of scraps. I'm going to cut a few squares out of it and then make them petals of a flower to go on my page. So there we've got the petal shapes, and then I'm going to arrange them, hopefully make them look like a flower, and glue them together. I get it the way I like it, and then when I go to glue it, it doesn't end up perfect like that. It ends up lopsided. I don't know how I did that wrong. But I did. See, it got crooked. It just got crooked. So now we're gonna glue the flower on. Give it a stem and it'll be about done. I hope you're liking these videos. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. And I really appreciate everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I seem to be doing pretty well right now. I've gained quite a few, and I really appreciate it. If you do like what you see and you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be notified of any videos that I upload. I do upload twice a week on a regular basis, as long as I don't forget. No, it is always twice a week. Anyways, thank you all for watching and have a great day.